Good morning mga ka-Saudi! Let's make our own milk tea in a low quality version but yummy. So first we will put the fresh milk, and the second is we will add some water, and we will put it in the cauldron because we don't have anything here, so we will put in the cauldron. Then we will let the fire low, medium heat, and let's start mekos mga insan, mekos lang. Then if it's already hot, we will put some black tea. Then mekos, and if you see, kung gusto nyo pang dagdagan, kung nagla-light brown na siya or kung gusto nyo dagdagan, pwede nyo siyang dagdagan. Tansya lang po. Tapos kasi gusto ko ng matapang, yung kaya akong ipaglaban, kaya dadagdagan ko ng kalahating black tea. Then after that, lalagyan ko ng asukal kasi we are going to the road of diabetes. So 100% sweetness, kasing sweet natin. Oh my God, ano ba yan? Oh yan, nagbo-boiled na siya. It's boiling na. So that time natatarata na ako, kaya na-stop ko yung record. Then pinatay ko yung apoy. And ang OA ko kasi, kaya matagal ako magsalita, yan. We will put in strainer so hindi masasama yung black tea granules. Yan. And this is the finished product. We will eat with the beef. It's beef. It's spicy and yummy with kubus. Pagkain ng mga Arabo. Then the milk tea. So, tara guys, milk tea tayo.